I have created a model in Revit for you guys. Let's take a look at the element that this model contains. We have a slab, we have columns, and we even have a concrete wall over here. If you go around, you can see how the model has been created. And if you take a look at the floors, we have total 12 level, taking count at this level 0. So that means that we have 12 slabs and then 11 column and walls. Got it? Now what we're going to do is we are going to create a schedule for this, and then we are going to move ahead with the material loading process for this model. Okay, now let's come to P6. I have created a new EPS over here. I'm just going to add a new project. Add new project, select the EPS training module, that's correct, and then next project name is this one. Let's give it a name of training module 05. Start, let's give it a start date by Monday, and then enterprise project, let's finish. One of the main settings we need to take a look at is the calendar. We have assigned a default calendar of standard 5 working days for this one. Let's open the project. Now you see this entire window is blank over here. Even if we come and go to group and sort, and we see that this is untick hide if empty, so it is still blank over here. Now before starting to create activities, we need to understand the number of activities that we need to do. Like I said earlier, we have total 12 slab and then 11 floors. That means 11 column and wall activities. So in P6, let's start by adding slab activities. So the number of time we would have to do is 12. So click on add, and then let's give it a name slab 1 and give it say 8 days duration. Now the default calendar will go to, it will be 5 work days, because a project has that as a calendar as a base, as is project calendar. Now taking into account this one, we have to create total 12 activities. So let's 2, 3. And then let's give everyone duration of 8, and then come over here, fill down. Let's try to see if we can even fill down the slab. Let's give it 2. Can this be filled down? Yeah, it does fill down, but it doesn't give our name that we want. So let's make it 3. So we have total 12 activities for slab. Let's link them. Now if you don't know the fastest and quickest way to link activities, that is select the first activity, select the last activity, and then right click and then use link activities. Now we just link them, but we cannot see any relationships over here. So you would have to come and turn on this relationship lines. but even though we have given relationship, they are still showing in like one line. For that we would have to schedule the program. So if you can see that the activities have scheduled themselves based on the relationship, that is the finish to start relationship, and then even based on the duration. But now we even have to create activities for the columns. We created activities for slabs, and now we have to do it for columns and walls, and then we have to create 11 column activities. So that's right, column, wall, 1. We have to do this 11 times. So let's do this. Now let's do the same thing, link all the column walls in between each other. Let's schedule them. Now this doesn't make sense, right? The slabs are going by themselves, the columns are going by themselves, but we need to create a relationship between them, because how the sequence will be is that only after we pour the slab, we are going to pour the column and wall, and then again after the column and wall is poured, we are going to pour the slab, and then so on. So I hope you know the sequence. So after the first slab, we need to cast the first columns and walls. We have to link them, and then link activities, and then after this column and wall, we will have to pour the slab, the second slab, and then link activities, and then again after the slab we need to link the second column wall. So that is how we have to keep going. So let's take a look at this over here. So what you can see over here is from slab we got column wall, and from column wall we go to slab 2, and then again from slab 2 we have column wall 2. Yeah, and now from column wall 2 we have to go slab 3. Once you understand the logic how we have to link it, we can do it quickly. Slab 4 will do column 4, slab 5 will do column 5, and then last one, column wall 11 will drive the last slab, that is slab 12. Now let's schedule this. Also, I hope you understand what we did right over here. What we have done is so you can see what's going on over here. We have slab 1 that is driving the column walls on it, that is the column wall starting from slab 1, and the column wall at level 1, then driving the slab at level 2, and then slab of level 2 they're driving the column wall of its level, and then level 2 column wall is driving the slab of level 3. So this is how you can see, but you can also is once, so this is sorted by activity ID, but once you click on sort by activity finish, and the activity finish that you can see the relationship, how it's going on. You have slab column, slab column, slab column. Now this makes more sense, right? Slab and column of level 1, slab and column of level 2, slab and column of level 3, and so on. This is what you can see over here. Cool. Let's sort it again.